Your Mac is hiding gigabytes of junk you can't see. Old caches, orphaned app data, forgotten build artifacts, installer files you downloaded once, and you're paying $60 a year for apps to find it. Someone just open-sourced a CLI that replaces CleanMyMac, AppCleaner, DaisyDisk, and iStat menus, all in one tool. 47,000 stars, one command to install, and users are reporting 25 to 95 gigabytes freed. This is Mole, a free open-source macOS system maintenance tool that runs entirely from the command line. 47,000 stars, 5,400 forks, 27,000 Homebrew installs in the last 30 days. MIT licensed. Deep cleaning, smart app uninstallation, interactive disk analysis, real-time system monitoring, and developer build artifact purging. 8 commands that replace 4 paid apps. Brew install Mole, that's it. Let's talk about what free looks like. 47,000 stars, 27,000 Homebrew installs in 30 days, 66,000 in 90 days, 7 releases in the last 2 months, roughly weekly. And it replaces apps that cost real money, CleanMyMac at $40 a year, DaisyDisk at $10, iStat menus at $12. That's $60 a year replaced by a tool that's open source, auditable, and runs with 0 background processes. And here's what you get. MoClean removes caches, logs, browser data, temp files, and orphaned app data. MoUninstall hunts down app remnants across 12 library locations. MoAnalyze gives you an interactive terminal-based disk explorer. Navigate directories, see sizes, delete directly. MoStatus shows a real-time dashboard with CPU, memory, disk, network, battery health, and GPU metrics. MoOptimize rebuilds system databases, reindexes Spotlight, repairs broken launch agents. All from 3 letters, MO. And this is the command developers need. MoPurge scans your project directories for build artifacts, node modules, target directories, derived data, virtual environments, dist folders, .cache directories. It auto-discovers projects by looking for package.json, cargo.toml, go.mod, and similar markers. It skips anything modified in the last 7 days. One reviewer found 17 gigabytes across 350 forgotten build directories. Projects you haven't touched in months, still hoarding gigabytes of dependencies. But here's what makes this safe to use. Every destructive command supports dry run. Preview exactly what will be deleted before anything happens. A whitelist file lets you protect specific paths permanently. Protected directory rules are hard-coded for critical system bundles. Password managers, IDEs, and AI tools are on a data protection list. Their caches are never touched. Every operation is logged to an audit file. And because it's open source, you can read every line of the script that touches your file system. Try getting that transparency from CleanMyMac. Think about what 47,000 developers know that you don't. Mole was built by TW93, a product engineer from Hangzhou, China, with 125,000 total GitHub stars across all his projects. He also created Pake, the tool that turns any web page into a desktop app, with 48,000 stars. His philosophy is simple. Anything added dilutes everything else. Mole is the result. No bloat, no GUI, no background processes. Just 8 commands that do exactly what you need and nothing more. Brew install Mole. Type Mo. Your Mac just got lighter. Mole, the CLI that 47,000 developers trust to clean their machines. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.